In this video, I'm about to show you how to use the API in FlutterFlow. First, open your project in FlutterFlow and navigate to the API call section from the left menu. Now, click plus add API call and provide the API name, request type, get, post, etc. Then, enter the API URL you want to connect with and add any necessary query parameters. After that, set up headers if your API requires authorization or custom headers. Define request body if you're using post, put, or patch methods. Test the API call using FlutterFlow's built-in Test API button to ensure it returns correct data. Next, create JSON paths from the response to map and use the data inside your app UI. Bind the app call to widgets like list view, dropdown, or directly display the output. Lastly, deploy and test your app to confirm that live API data is being fetched and shown properly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.